Hi everyone, I'm Rana Gupta and in this video I'll be demonstrating my Mars submission. So my Mars submission project is automated metadata generator and this is the GitHub repo of the project. So you can see that the repo is public. Now I'll explain each thing which I've done in the project one by one. So this is README file and here it is the repository structure. You can look at it. I've created this metadata pipeline in notebooks from which I'll explain everything to you. It it includes the basic flow of the project, what each thing does, and you should definitely look at the README file because I have written everything in README file, the installation, the setup, and all the things. So let's go to the pipeline. So here we have the pipeline, and because I'm inside my notebooks folder, I have to get back to the root of my project. So this block of code is used to get to the root of the project. And then we have all the setups and imports. You can see all these files, they are present in a root directory here, NLP utils, metadata generator, and data utils here. So first of all, I'm extracting the text, and this text extraction is done from this data utils file. We have defined three functions: extract text from txt file, from docx, and from pdf. I have written doc strings and comments wherever I could to explain briefly and clearly about what each block of code is doing. And finally, we have this extract text which returns if the extension is txt, then it will call the extract text from txt function, otherwise docx, otherwise pdf. So let's get to the pipeline again. Now the NLP utilities. I'm using Spatie model in Python as the natural language processor, and you can see this file NLP utils here. You can see that we have also defined multiple functions here. For example, clean text, extract keywords, extract summary, extract entries, and extract sections. All these functions, I've written doc strings inside all of them and comments to explain each and everything. And you can look at these functions and understand them. It will be very easy. And one important thing that we are using here, TF-IDF technique in extract summary function. TF-IDF is a very popular technique which scores sentences, and you can look for it on the Google. Now let's get back to our pipeline. So I'm extracting the metadata for example.pdf. Number of summary sentences I've set as 3 and the keyword count as 7. You can change it if you want. So in samples, as we have 3, we could have done it for any file, PDF, docx, or txt. I have taken PDF for an example. So this is the metadata which is extracted from the PDF. Let's open the PDF file once. So this is a multi-page report about data analysis and market analysis, and let's see what our metadata gives us. You can see that our metadata also gives us the title, file type, file name, word count, and reading time in minutes. So it is based on 200 words per minute speed, which is generally the speed of most people. And then you can look at you can look in website images folder to take a look at some images of our site. I'll run it, but I've also kept this folder in which I used this DBMS full notes. These are Loveboper DBMS full notes. I extracted metadata from this file, and you can see that we are getting sections, summary, full metadata, and at the end we'll also get a download option. I'll run it locally, and I've also deployed the website. I've given the website link in the README. But do not upload files more than 1 MB on the site because the server will likely crash, because I have uploaded it on render and at only 512 MB of RAM for the free users. So I'll just run locally and depict all the things. Before that, let's find out what other files do. This is test data utils and test metadata generator. I created these files as a test while I was just developing this project. So you can also use this as a test if you try to include some new features in my repo. And then datautils.py I have shown you. This is Docker file which you can use to upload this project, deploy this project on render. Then this is example metadata.json. This is downloaded from our metadata pipeline. Okay, this is example metadata.json. Then metadata generator, which detects title, generates metadata. Now we'll run our site locally and I'll also show you the site on render. So let's proceed with that. So I'll run the server locally now. So we'll open the command prompt and I'll go to my root directory. Okay, so I'll just copy this path and paste it in the command prompt. Now I'll activate the environment in which I created this project, which is named venv. So I'll just copy paste this here. So you can see that our venv environment has activated. Now I'll run streamlit run app.py. So you can see that we have been directed to the local host here, and it will take some time, and then we can check it by uploading a few files here. Okay, so now that it has started, I can just browse some files from my project only. So I'll go to samples. Okay, this is, let's upload this PDF file over here. You can see that this file is around 2.5 MB. I'll open it. So this is the detailed summary of the file: file name, file type, language, word count, estimated reading time, author, created at this time, title and keywords, sections if any section would be detected. So these are the sections which have been detected, the named entities, and then the complete metadata in JSON which you can download from here. I'll click this option and the download will start. So this was all. We can also choose other txt files. Let's upload this word. So you can see that it has updated and also demonstrated via the txt file. It will take some time, but it will do. So it has uploaded the title sections for the txt file as well. It was just a normal txt file with lorem ipsum text. And now I will start with the website which I have deployed on render. So I'll just go to my readme file and open the link from there. This is our readme and this is the link to the website. Let's open it up. It will take some time to load, so I'm just pausing the video here. So our website has loaded and here I can browse files. You can upload any file, but this PDF file was 2.5 MB, so I'm not uploading that. It will likely crash. So I'll upload this Word file. 21.6 KB, it will easily run. So you can see that it has printed all these things here. So this was it. I deployed the website. You can use the Docker file. Thanks for watching the video.